Hey guys, and welcome you to all my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you what stack I'm using to make these types of video. Number one is NCA toolkit. So NCA toolkit is used for mainly subtitles and FFmpeg functions. And second one is NocoDB. NocoDB is for database. It's like Airtable, which is open source. Third, which is normal, it's Anatan. Fourth is Whisper service. Whisper service actually it's very fast because what Whisper service do is Ancient Toolkit have a disadvantage. It's just crashed after few like it just if it's processing for 10 minutes then it got crashed and stopped working. But Whisper service is not not work like this. So it just keep running until the process get done. So what is the use of this? The use of this is it's useful for making sub captions like TikTok style caption within a span of time. And fifth one is Mini IO. Mini IO is a storage for storing your uh, data which is coming in during processing your workflow, and all the NCA toolkit data is stored in the mini IO. And the last one is the Kokoro TTS. So Kokoro TTS is used for text to speech, which is very fast, and you can get your around 30 to 40 minutes of video in around 5 to 10 minutes audio, sorry. So how I install all of them and connected each of them with each other. So I've used Docker Compose for this. So this is my Docker Compose. See, wait a second, this is not this one is it. This is my Docker Compose where all the details is present. See, I've used custom fonts as well, and this is my init, and all the settings are very best for this, I think, which I've put it. So yeah, I will share this in the description below if you want. Comment on the YouTube video. And the last thing, and wait a minute, if you want a VPS, I will share the share a website where you get a VPS deal in a very cheap rate, very cheap. I guarantee that you cannot get VPS on that range. Like it's I also bought around 32 GB RAM, and it's 8 core processor for 1 year, and the cost was around $60. Yes, $60 was the cost, and it was it's working very best, and I'm still using this. So if you want, let me know in the comment section, and I will share the website soon in a shorts. So that's it. If you enjoy this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will tell you about more of these types of videos, like how to make this, how to make that with Anytime, and earn passive income with AI automation with Anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.